Hello, I'm going to show you how to fix GTA 5 not working. So let's start. Now for the first method, go to the Windows taskbar, right click, after that go to Task Manager, select it. Now once this opens, go to the search and look for the game, which is Grand Theft Auto 5. If you can find it, make sure to right click on it, after that select in task. Now go to the launcher that you have the game on, either Steam or Epic Games. So I have it on Epic Games. Once you find it, make sure to do the same thing, so select it, right click, after that select in task. For the second step, go to the search and type in Device Manager. After that, make sure to go to Processors right here, open the side arrow, select anyone, right click, after that select Update Driver. Now select Search automatically for drivers, after that select Close. And the most important thing, go to Display Adapters, open this sidebar. You can see that you have maybe two graphics cards. You can dump the first one as it is the integrated one. So look for NVIDIA or AMD, select it, after that right click and select Update Driver. Now select Search automatically for drivers and select Close. For the next step, go to the search and type in NVIDIA app. Now if you can't find this app, make sure to download the app from the browser. After that, go back to this step, select it. Now make sure to sign up with your account. After that, go to drivers at the left menu and make sure to install and update the latest driver available for you. So select install. After that, select express installation for the fastest way. After that, click on continue. Wait for the process to finish. Now before the last step, go to the Windows icon. After that, go to settings, go to the left menu and select Windows Update, and make sure you have already downloaded the latest Windows drivers, as that might be a problem too. Lastly, go open the launcher that you have the game on. Now once this opens, go straight to the library. You need to search for the game. Now once you find it, you can see these three dots next to the name, so you need to select those. After that, this will pop up. Go to manage, click on it, and then you can see verify files, which is the first element. In the right, select verify. Now once you click on that, the game will be verifying the original files, and any corrupted or missing file will be recovered safely. Just wait for the process to finish and then try restarting your computer. But before doing that, please check for the minimum requirements of the game, because you need to have a graphics card that is eligible with at least 4 gigabytes of VRAM. If you don't have that, you might face some issues, and that might be the problem that you're facing. And that's it. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.